be grief, it is a kind of ravenous anguish I, even in my deepest moments of despair, could never comprehend.
Mama wants to know. You found your new life. Everything you wished.
I wouldn't film this debacle of a Dolly.
That's okay. It's the BTS. This is the enjoyment. This is what people are paying to see.
It's going to be the little painting of you, James, and then the Rickety Man. So if you want, I want you to think of the Rickety Man and what you think of the Rickety Man and just draw that.
Alright. Okay. Kind of tame it a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, I always kind of picture something where it was like you're trying to get it done up a little bit, you know, so it's like having a really specific part that your hair was always done to, and then let it kind of degrade from there.
Gotcha.
Oh, look at that thing.
Pretty slick,
yeah.
huh? Gonna have it off, save the battery, but I'll get the lights blinging for the shot.
Oh, that's look at that. That's
right?
awesome.
That's perfect.
Scene 1A, take 1, marker.
We get to the end of the move and we tilt down onto the paper where you're writing. Matilda's gonna boom, bust in, slam the paper down, and it's this like this look at this moment. And I think I actually want her to even say like, look, like just to give you something to kind of, because I feel like with excitement she would, you know. All right, you guys ready?
Here.
Roll again here.
Scene 2A5.
Camera speed.
Ava, that was perfect.
Sound speeds.
Scene 2A, take 5. Alright, whenever you're ready.
Hi, I'm Ava Torres, and I play Matilda and the Rickety Man.
Hello, I'm Curtis Martin, and I'm playing the vital role of the butler. Look for me in the butler scene, I guess.
G'day guys, I'm Josh Brunellas, the DP on the Rickety Man.
What are you writing?
A letter to your Aunt Liza. Have you finished your lessons?
On there, Josh.
Well, I just want the smoothest of smooth pans.
And then just
So I'm
kind
gonna
of
use a
like,
rubber band.
yeah.
on the
I just
end
want
here.
that to be a little bit slow.
You can just slowly
So
pull
kind
it.
of like this standoff moment.
Works bloody good, mate.
Exactly, yeah. Pat back and then run, and then it's like run along to your room. So that way it's like right at the same time. When she grabs your hand, kind of like look at her and take a little bit of time, or like a little extra time to like really look at her, and it's what has gotten into you. Like not only is that so unformal of you, but it's so wrong. Two of you are kind of coming, you know.
I'm just getting serenaded by Michael Fisher's opera. Oh. Looking at my gear.
This was my cutting, as you can see.
Inside edge or outside?
Beautiful job right there.
Grab one. So I think we should just rock it blackout.
Yeah,
I don't really like Moonlight that much, so I'm happy to go no Moonlight.
Yeah.
Like, and this is really well done, but we don't have the time to do all that right now.
Yeah, and then like I said, tomorrow it's going to make it even easier because then instead of having to add moonlight in all of those windows,
Yeah.
and especially those front ones, instead of having to do any of that, it's just straight blackout.
Yeah.
Rickety Man to appear back there.
Back in here.
Yeah, that looks like so dope what you just had right there.
The 300X on fire, bouncing.
Yeah.
Bouncing back onto the Rickety Man.
That one
It's
looks-
kind of like flickering. I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, you just need such a small amount of light that the
300X might be too much.
steam might...
Right.
There
Why
you
did we
go.
even we could just
Really and truly, just
we
it's
could have
art.
potato.
It's art.
Ah, look at that. It's like chapstick. That's why I look at her with my
It's
chapstick
like
on.
limited baby, like a toddler baby tries to put on makeup. Mommy, do you like my lipstick? Ah!
Speak for...
Oh, corn in a cup.
She...
Why why not? You know what? Sometimes I just feel like corn must be in a cup. Corn in a cup. Corn in. Why can't that be a real thing?
That's a wrap on day one. No,
That's
a wrap.
So
So that's a wrap on day one. That was definitely the more like intense day. We had the most setups by far. Lots of moving parts and just a lot of movement. So I'm happy. I think everyone did like literally an incredible job. So we nailed it. We nailed it on schedule. As people fishing on day two.
And then, so by intense, you mean intense by setup, right?
That's by setup.
Because the emotional ones are coming Wednesday.
Tomorrow. On a day two.
So this is flashing back.
Yep.
So, okay, I was just
this
looking
is-
down, I was like, well, I would have changed unless it's a flashback.
Yeah, this
So
is
it's a
kind of like an
flashback.
earlier thing. Yeah, and
Cool,
then
cool.
that way when we have the later writing scenes, it's like days have gone by kind of thing.
Cool.
You know, you're a little more sitting up straight, and there's still a little more sense of like, I'm keeping it together. Things are still okay, but they're obviously not. But it's like this is kind of before that breaking point of okay, things are not good. Because then we're gonna go to the swamp scene like right after this, basically.
Right. Alright, now look at the
Yeah,
Now look at the fire.
I think your line's probably like here.
Okay, so
Here,
here.
here, and this way.
Oh, here and here.
Yeah, here and here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
We gotta black out some windows.
There you go. Well, it's kind of more like the Kindle remake.
Candle melter?
903, 47, 8,
8,
9. Thank you.
Turn this down. Let me just come in here and I'll grab this slate. Yeah. Whoa.
Scene pickup A1.
I'm blinded so I just looked at those numbers.
We have a nice farm that, well, it's not really a living farm. They're all just...
For your close up? No. That's okay. You don't really need, you just need like black paint on your face, right? That's probably not something you should do, but you're gonna be in shadow.
Josh, maybe we should cast it.
I want to move this down a little bit.
I was gonna say, what are the settings over here? 3200 Kelvin, 800 ISO, and then I assume he's at F4, F5, or yeah?
F4, yeah. I guess.
I feel like that's a talk about a lesson point right there. How many people would shoot everything at just like F1.4 if they could?
I'm shooting at 2.8 just because I need the light. I'm at 4000 ISO.
No, but you know what I mean? Like I was in general, I think so many people are apt to be like, oh, let's shoot at 1.4.
There's actually a stand set up.
Whereas like there's no need to.
You'd be like, better go check on that. And you put your stuff down. And you're like, all right, I'll be back. Leave my stuff out.
Yeah.
The second raise is more of a-
Yeah, no, we could. Okay, that's cool. I wanted to be aggressively accurate.
Yeah.
Assistant Father, please. Have you found your new life? Everything you wished.
Have it ready here. Can he sit here or is he gonna be in the way?
I can sit here. Okay. We should probably move this right.
Oh,
It's like,
Back for day 3, but just your day 2?
Yeah, day 2.
Knock knock.
Who's that?
House says.
You do this line. Well, this
Boo
definitely.
you.
And then we'll predict.
Like my guts are gonna come
What's
up,
that?
so I'm excited. I really am.
Awesome.
Like you were dying. What's that song?
Yeah.
Something like that. I don't know.
It's gonna be tough for him to act tomorrow when he has to have all those stitches from, having your
got you today.
Ah.
A little bit of the hand, like where you're at, or like a little bit of the hand, and then rack to the paper.
Strike.
You mean like this?
Yeah. Cut! Nice. That was it. That was perfect. I like it. We'll go handheld here watching him, because he doesn't really speak, it's kind of like being reactive. And then run, so we'll just do like a little bit of a move.
It's the whatever you are. It's you're prostrating, you're sacrificing yourself to
And
get
I think
her back.
that's when you
Because
kind of drop it, like
it's
like whatever you
when
want.
you put it down. It's like whatever you are.
Yeah, and I think
that's where
I think too. Maybe let's try with the hands out, like begging. But I also think it's like you put your arms down, like at no guard, like you're begging, but yeah, it's like I got nothing left. You got the poker still, and then because that's when we're gonna switch, and that's when Allison's gonna be there, wherever you are, and then that's when like time seems to slow, and it's like when you break down, and then she's gonna be there. And then you like slowly turn your head for the close up, and that's when she's gonna come down, whisper right there.
All right.
Good morning.
Some of the blocking in a little bit, and then we're gonna talk about how you're gonna stand and. Alrighty.
Just whenever you're ready for her.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. No. Take your time. We gotta get a couple things set up quick, and then we'll be ready to kind of go through it and block it, and hopefully beat the rain. Yeah. It's like that's not her. That's like that's the rickety man. Like I'm gonna get you. Like you know what I mean? Like I can smell the fear on you. Like it's there.
Yeah, that'll be more of a confusion situation.
Yeah, exactly. Because you're like, what? I'm good. You get to sleep in a little bit?
Yes, I got 11 hours of sleep.
11 hours of sleep?
Normally, I once got 4 hours of sleep.
Alright, keep trying.
I heard my mom. You on the wheel.
Are you kneeling or are you?
I have a bunch of sun hats in my car. We could all just
You know what's great is I'm actually doing video, but it's so bright I can't see my back monitor, so I'm just putting my app to it. I have audio, and you don't.
Gosh, I got those brakes right in my car. What's that, buddy?
Fanciest guy around.
Yeah. Remember me shooting BTS for your road audio reel?
Like maybe down a touch and then cut up. So that way he kind of like moves a little bit and. Okay. Yeah, exactly. And then after he says that, you pull so you got your head tucked, and then you pull your head back and you go. Does that work? As far as
look back and forth in his
So it was
lines.
alive?
Yeah.
So it was like
I think these would be the way to go.
You want to we'll just kind of give it a run and see how it looks. And
Where's it?
Is that? I mean, we're catching a little in the.
Oh, I'm not looking at that.
Oh,
I'm looking
gotcha.
at his face right now. That's it.
And action.
The spring I shall drink.
You mustn't drink it. Mama's there.
No.
Are you surviving over there? Why is your thumb all red?
The bird.
Oh.
Bye.
Really straight back because that was past some curve.
Okay, so then the end shot.
So I'm thinking on the final shot, I'll push.
Alright, I'm gonna be down here.
You come up with it? Yeah.
All right, 7B pickup, take 3.
I'm here.
Okay. Yep.
And I'll bring it to here?
Yep.
Is that working frame wise? Alright.
Go that way.
Makeup in the woods.
For me. I don't know what her deal is.
Yes, makeup in the woods.
You know what I mean? So there's like enough to.
I love how like all the behind the scenes is 100% bubbly and just humorous of her.
Right?
Get this thing off.
Different.
Cheese on the outside, peanut butter on the inside.
Yeah.
Cheese cracker.
Glory all over.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like that ice cream paint job song. You know that one?
I don't think so.
It's Chicago right here, so you can get down in that junk.
Could be. I can still see the gun there.
The Nano. This is my master. And this thing is, see how it just flashed green? That's automatically pulsing time code. I don't even have to do anything. It just syncs. This is just my master connected to my mixer.
Time code is like the biggest thing that Cameron's like obsessed with.
This just blips automatically, which is such an amazing thing by Ambient, these German people.
So what are Are these just the sound? Those are the packs for
Yep,
your.
these are my receivers, exactly.
And then these are.
This is the transmitter. This will be the wireless carrier.
Gotcha.
And this is my hop, my link. I'm sending a left and right mix down over mic level because these just kind of work best on mic level. And that's sending a mixed audio. See the other pack?
Mm-hmm.
So this is the camera link, receivers, mic transmitters, timecode master, mixer. That's my battery brick powering everything.
Oh wow.
Yep, this is the battery distribution.
And then I see this is connected to.
Yep, this is the antenna distribution. So all my receivers, see how are pigtailed here? Those are all going into this box. And then this box is outputting these two. Yep.
So that way you have no dropout.
And I can get my wireless carriers, I don't know, 100 yards. Like if I had Matilda mic right now, I'd be able to get her perfect RF, maybe even further. She can maybe even go 20 feet. These things are great.
E take 2.
Go to the trees. Loser to the trees. Loser to the trees.
Loser to the trees.
Right, then that's it.
Loser to the trees. Were you recording on that?
Oh yeah.
That's a wrap again. That was a wrap.
And I'm at 4% battery, so that's good.
That was on.
That was it.
Second one.
Whoa.
Yeah. All right, ready? Let's go.
Listen.
So good.
All the way around.
So good.
Super awesome.
Thank you so
So
much.
much fun. Yeah, it was awesome to meet you.
Yes.
Give us
Yeah,
a hug.
bring
Give
it
us a
in.
hug.
Bring it in.
It's awesome.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
So much
You're
fun.
great.
No, you don't.
I think it's the mountain. They claim that it's the way the water in the mountains. Supposedly, that's.
I think
like
it's just
an
the
echo.
wall that they have. I think it's this half wall thing.
I don't know.
Gosh, that's so cool.
Isn't that cool though? It's fun.
Well, that was fun.
All right.
That was fun. That was worth the trip right there.
I know, right?
It is like